What if I tell you that you can capture multiple phone videos, combine them together in HDR quality, preserve that quality and upload it to YouTube? Well, if you have problem with HDR videos, this video is for you. I'm doing few years YouTube videos on my mobile phone, and I always had a problem with video quality. But after some researching and try and error, I think that I find the right way. Well, the most important thing is to enter your phone settings, and you have to do exactly that I will tell you. So open your phone camera app, then go to your video settings for your camera. Here you have options FPS or 4K. You choose 4K. Then you have options 10-bit HDR. You choose 10-bit HDR. That is the most important things to set up. Also, check your stabilization. So when everything is correctly set up in your camera settings, you are ready to shoot your video. Now, it is easy if you shoot only one video and you directly upload it from your phone to YouTube. Then there is no middle app that can make HDR disappear, so your colors look washed. But if you want rich vivid colors captured with HDR, then you must do exactly what I will tell you. When you capture multiple videos and you need to edit them and combine them in one app, like, I don't know, CapCut, Adobe Premiere, Filmora, or any kind of app like that, sometimes it's problem that apps doesn't recognize HDR, or your computer can't reproduce HDR videos. So you have a problem because you see washed videos not in a full vivid quality with color grade that is pure HDR. I'm using CapCut. I record few videos and then I combine them together in CapCut. First, you upload your video to your timeline. Then you can see that the video is not correctly displayed. Colors are washed and plain, and I'm not absolutely satisfied with that. So, what to do next? Then you click on the blank space above your timeline in CapCut. Click on that space, then go to the upper right corner, click Details, then next step is click Modify. You enter this menu, and here is the most important thing in CapCut. You need to select video quality to 4K. You need to select this HLG video format because that is correct format for HDR. Also, you will select higher bit rate. You will select 30 frames per second, and you need to click Save. When you click Save, now your settings are locked. Now let's go back to video to see this video. Okay, now you see video in full HDR. You see how the colors are vivid, how the colors are full, and everything looks so beautiful. Now let's click Undo so you can see how it looks without HDR color grading. Look, now the colors are washed, the colors are plain, they are very bad. Now let's do Redo. You can see now again this is the real HDR, how the colors need to look like. So you can also add another video clip, and all these settings will be applied to whole timeline. So it doesn't matter if you add 1, 2 or 30 videos, all these settings, all this HDR color grading will be applied to all these videos. Now, when are you finished with your video editing, you can click export button. All these settings that you made before must be applied on this final screen. This is the most important step, because the thing that you see in CapCut, if these all settings are not set properly, will not export the real HDR video. So you need to double check, do you have HLG format? If it's there, that means that you will export HDR video. You can see here the notice that my computer doesn't properly presents HDR, but that is not problem, because when you upload your video to YouTube, the YouTube will correctly represent it like real HDR. So now it's time to click export. You can wait while the video exporting, and then you can after that upload it to YouTube. So when you upload video to YouTube, the only place while processing where you can see is the video real HDR is when you open your YouTube Studio, then you open your editor tool, and there is in the right upper corner this notice that some HDR videos may have problem if trim or blurred. That is the only place where you can see the video is real HDR before YouTube process it. But now, very important notice. The HDR 4K video processing may take from 1 hour to 48 hours. That is the main time frame. But some videos, it is reported that can be processed up to 7 days to HDR quality. Why is that? Because YouTube firstly process your video in SD, HD, then 4K, but HDR may wait. Some channels with more subscribers report that their videos are processed within 1 to 2 hours, but small channels with smaller amount of subscribers must wait longer time. So I usually experience about 1 day lag before my video is full HDR. So this is the process from beginning to the end to make your HDR videos on your phone, edit them in app like CapCut, and then upload it to YouTube. I hope that this video helped you, so please like it, subscribe to my channel, and see you again in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.